My dear viewers, the year 2025 is almost over. Let's have a look back. What have we repaired this year? I put here my top 5 repairs into the picture so that we can have a look back into the year 2025. Now, let's start. In case you don't know me, I'm Busy from Germany and this is my little channel. Normally we do here Barbie repairs and that's why you are here, because you want to see which one are my number 5 top doll repairs for this year here. This is my number 5 Barbie. She is the Mexican Great Shapes and she had the little problem that a part of her neck was broken. A piece of plastic was broken down here. And I repaired it this year. It was super easy repair and it's almost invisible so that you don't see that I repaired her like I prefer it. It's a super easy to do at home restoration so that you are in a way to replicate this too when you are at home and you have the materials. Super easy. Just watch the video and then you have an instruction how to do it. That's my number 5. My number 4 this year is the Talking Barbie. It was not a super big restoration, but she had fallen off legs and I reattached the leg knobs so that we could reattach the legs later on, and I gave her new hairbands because her hairbands were gone. Also not a super big repair but a small one, and I know you like this super much because this video was viewed a lot by you and I would say thank you for all the views of this video. And you can see her legs are still on her body, they have not fallen off. This is a often asked questions, do the legs come off again? And I can say no, they don't. And we don't glue them, we melt them back to the body. I don't use glue because the glue can cause the leg knobs to crumble, and that's why I don't use glue. This is an often asked question here in the comment section, and to answer your question, no, I don't use glue. I use MEK. It's a solvent and I melt the two pieces together. I don't glue them because glue is not safe in our case here. My number 3 Barbie repair is this Spanish Sunsational Barbie, and she had the little problem that a part of her hair was completely gone. You know, Spanish Barbie dolls have this problem that the hair is gone, and I fixed it. I put in some new streaks that blend in perfectly with the hair she already had on her head, and the repair is invisible, and that's how I like it and how I prefer, and that's why I do it the way I do it. So I hope this makes sense to you. Anyway, that is my number 3 because this was more time consuming than the other 2 ones. My number 2 this year is this Pretty Hair Growing Francie, because she was one of a more challenging repairs because I have never done this before. I had to develop creative methods how to prevent her ponytail from getting glued into her body. You know, I'm super creative in this way and I invent things that have never been done before, and so I used a straw to protect her hair. And then I was able to put the head back on. She had the neck knob missing, and I put it from another doll onto her neck and I fixed this problem the way I did it. Super interesting story. Have a look back into this video. I will link you all my videos below from this year and the top 5 repairs so that you can have a look again at the top 5 repairs, because I think my repairs are great and you should not miss them in the case you did. But you know, Christmas is coming and you will have some time to spend and maybe you use it to watch my repairs. So this was a super great repair. It's kind of invisible. She's looking like a normal Pretty Growing Francie hair doll now, but she was anything else but this last year. And this was my last big repair this year. You know, I had to search for a right Francie with cut hair, which is not super easy here in Europe, but I managed to find one. And in summer I had the idea to recreate this Ponytail Swirl Francie that I saw in the Kentucky Convention prototypes corner, and so I recreated this, and that's how she came into life, and that's why I did this project, and I hope you like it as much as I do. My dear viewers, I hope you had as much fun as I did during all the repairs this year, and thank you for staying until the end of this video. Tell me in the comments which of the repairs was your favorite, or did you try any of the techniques I showed you this year? Let me know in the comments below. I'm super curious. And please don't forget to share, like and subscribe. See you very, very soon. Your Invisibly from Germany. Bye! And happy collecting.